Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar, Revolutionizing Industries with Artificial Intelligence and Career Opportunities in 2025. I'm Prashanti Sudhakar, your host for today's session. And on behalf of Education Nest, I'm thrilled to have you all here with us. Education Nest, as you know, is dedicated towards providing advanced corporate training and resources to help professionals build the skills they need to thrive in today's world. Let me now start by setting the stage for the webinar by introducing our today's topic. Revolutionizing industries with artificial intelligence and career opportunities in 2025. Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries worldwide, driving innovation, efficiency, and transformative change. This webinar explores how AI impacts various sectors and highlights the career opportunities it opens up in 2025 and beyond. Discover the skills, roles, and pathways needed to thrive in this dynamic landscape. Our guide for today's session is Dr. V. Ajanta Devi. She received her PhD from University of Madras in 2015. She has worked as project fellow under UGC Major Research Project. Ajanta Devi Vairamani is a certified artificial intelligence engineer, formally evaluated for experience, knowledge, and demonstrated competency in AI as per industry standards established by USAII. She has been certified as Microsoft Certified Application Developer and Microsoft Certified Technical Specialist from Microsoft Corporation. She has more than 70 papers in international journals and conference proceedings to her credit. She has written, co-authored and edited a number of books in the field of computer science. She has 5 Australian patents and 1 Indian patent to her credit in the area of artificial intelligence, image processing, and medical imaging. She has won many Best Paper Presentation Awards as well as few research oriented international. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section throughout the session. We will have a dedicated question and answer at the end where Dr. Ajanta Devi will address as many as possible for you all. Thank you, Ms. Ajanta Devi. Thank you for joining us today. The floor is all yours.
Happy evening, everyone, and I am thrilled to welcome you to today's webinar titled Revolutionizing Industry with Artificial Intelligence and Career Opportunity in 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic buzzword. It's a driving force behind innovation in almost every sector, from making our smartphones smarter to enabling groundbreaking discoveries in healthcare. AI has redefined how we work, interact, and solve problems. But AI is not just about technology, it's about people, industries, and creating opportunities. And dear friends, today in this session, we will explore how AI is revolutionizing various industries, looking to emerging AI trends that will shape the future, discuss the roles and skills in demand, and how you can prepare and address challenges and ethical considerations in AI career. So let I just share my session here. I hope is it with Prashanti?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now it's
Yeah,
visible.
fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. And yeah, today we are diving into one of the most transformative technology of our time, artificial intelligence. We will just specify it as AI. From how we shop to how we work, or AI is reshaping industries and redefining possibilities. But before we get into its use cases, let's revisit the basic of what AI is and how it works. uh, what actually artificial intelligence? Of course, you all come to know about this diagram or chart or whatever be. See, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines and computer to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So these tasks includes solving complex problems or analyzing vast data sets, learning from patterns, understanding languages, and even recognizing human behavior. Imagine a machine that can analyze millions of medical records in a minute to find the best treatment plans, or one that predicts what you will want to watch next, or your favorite streaming platform. So that's AI in action. And AI works by stimulating human cognitive process. It uses algorithm to learn from data and of course improve over time and make a decision faster and often more accurately than human. And of course, we have to accept this. So think of it as having a tireless assistant. We can learn, adapt, and work 24 by 7 without break. Here, I just want to give something technical terms. That is only few terms. So one among the term, it is generative AI. Of course, we can just specify it as like a game changer in innovation. Now let's dive deeper into one of its most. So what is actually generative AI? See, unlike traditional AI system that operates on predefined rules and data sets, generative AI has the ability to create something entirely new. It learns pattern from the data it trained on and generates original outputs. Whether it write an article or composing a song or designing a product prototype or even creating a lifelike images or videos. Take a tool like ChatGPT for an example. So it's a prime implementation of generative AI, capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text. So businesses are already leveraging this technology to automate creative tasks, producing engaging marketing material, and even assist in customer support. Imagine an AI that can draft a new product brochure in a minute or create a virtual assistant that sounds indistinguishable from a human. So generative AI makes that possible. For companies, this opens up immense possibilities. They can innovate faster, reduce costs, and differentiate themselves in competitive market. And creative industries such as designs and art benefits enormous. But so too sectors like product development, where prototypes can be conceptualized and redefined rapidly used AI tools. Here, I just want to specify one important thing: prompt engineering. It's all about a critical skill in working with AI system. Yeah, that is what this prompt engineering, the word specify. See, think of a prompt as a carefully crafted input or the command that tells the AI what to do. For example, if I want an AI tool to generate a product description for a tech gadget, I would need to provide clear specific instruction to get the desired result. So prompt engineering involves writing precision prompt that guide AI models towards generating accurate and useful outputs. It's particularly important in systems like chatbot or recommendation engines or content generation tools, where the quality of input determines the success of the output. By fine-tuning these prompts, we can improve the AI's performance, make it more user-friendly, and ensure it aligns with business objective. For instance, if you are developing a chatbot for customer service, your prompt should direct the AI to provide polite, concise, and accurate answers. In marketing, prompts might tell the AI to create engaging taglines or personalized ads. So mastering prompt engineering is like learning how to speak fluently with the AI, unlocking its full potential. Here I have to specify one thing, dear friends. all this we are just specifying AI and how this is benefit towards the business or in our daily operations. Actually, why should business and individual has to invest in artificial intelligence? Because the benefits are transformative. Main thing I have to specify, boosting productivity. See, AI automate you or automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks that is allowing employees to focus on higher valued activities. By streamlining these operations and reducing the manual effort, AI helps companies save significantly on operational cost. And of course, it also provides a benefit on accelerating growth. Yes, AI powered tools deliver actionable insights and improve decision making, enabling business to adapt quickly to changing market dynamics. And here I have to point out one thing, enhancing customer experience. Yes, AI analyze consumer data to predict preference and offer personalized experience, and AI can detect and mitigate potential cyber threats in real time, ensuring robust protection for business and their clients. I take an e-com company for an example. So AI helps optimize inventory or recommend products to customers based on their browsing history and even predict future buying trends. Meanwhile, in healthcare, of course, AI assists doctor in diagnosing disease faster and more accurately, while in finance, it's combating fraud and automating this risk analyzation. And here, dear friends, of course, we are just going to discuss not one industry or two industry, more than more. Of course, let me just compare on 30 industries. I will take you on a journey through 30 industries where AI has left an indelible mark. Yeah, let's see how this powerful technology is revolutionizing everything from agriculture to aerospace. Let us just give one by one. The first one, it is real estate. Of course, it is benefited for enhanced property management, personalized buying experience, and optimized pricing strategy. Different AI models predict property price based on location or market trends and amenities. And AI powered chatbots handle tenant inquiries and automate maintenance requests. And here, of course, the AI enables immense 3D property walkthrough using augmented reality. And yeah, I'm just going to give you a few more things, dear friends. See, whenever here, I'm just going to discuss about the 30 industries. And each and every industry, I'm just going to give some use cases where you can just also, even if you are a beginner, yeah, kindly, you can also have an idea related about the project, a unique ideas or about something, a phases for your projects also. So kindly have a note onto it. Okay, now let I just go for the second one, travel industries. What are all the benefits in travel industries? Okay, improved customer experience and real-time updates also there, and of course, optimized logistics. What about the use cases? Yes, dear friends, airlines and hotels adjust pricing in real time based on the demand and user behavior. So you can just have a dynamic pricing here. And also you can have a personalized recommendation. Of course, yes, recommends travel and packages and itineraries based on users' preference. And of course, it detects fraudulent travel booking or payments. So kindly just have a note on towards it. Next, I just want to go for a fashion. So here the benefits are enhanced customer engagement, reduced waste in production, and trend forecasting. So AI predict fashion trends and assist in creating new design. So as like a prototyping. And the customers can visualize how clothes will fit using AR and VR. And coming towards the supply chain optimization, of course, dear friends, artificial intelligence predict inventory needed to prevent overproduction. Next, of course, it's very much important. Kindly just observe the healthcare. So improved diagnostic, personalized treatment, and operational efficiency or the benefits. We are just going to discuss it. So when coming towards this disease detection, of course, AI identify early signs of disease like cancers or even glaucoma, retina related diseases or whatever the thing through medical imaging. And of course, you can also speed up the discovery of new drug using machine learning models. Yes, drug discovery. And there are so many things are there. Wearable track vital signs and predict potential health issues. So to make a patient's monitoring. So these are more upcoming is that I'm just only limiting it into just 1 to 3 points on every industries. Kindly just think over. It is not towards the limited. Of course, you can think this as from the scratch. And next, of course, we are just going to have a finance. So what are all the benefits there? Yes, fraud prevention, personalized services, and better investment decision. Yes, dear friends, you can analyze AI for using AI. You can just analyze transaction patterns to flag anomalies. And of course, AI provides personalized investment advice, and it also assesses credit worthiness more accurately as like PayPal's fall fraud detection system or Betterment's robo advisor. So there are so many things is that kindly just have a go through and look on towards it because of course crypto it is just going to it's of course it is not going to it is evolving one thing. So of course there are so many tech words also there fintech it's there. So kindly just have a go through so many projects are there. So don't miss the opportunities and kindly have a hands-on towards that project. Next, of course, transportation and logistic. What would be the benefits? Of course, to the same thing, optimized routes it would be. And here also, one among the thing is reduced cost and improved deliver time. Yeah, it is a very much important difference. And of course, here I just want to give you an word, the technical word that is autonomous vehicle. Of course, AI enables self-driving trucks and cars. So many things are there. So it to evolve in 2024. So kindly just follow these important aspects. And the next, of course, you can also think about dynamic routing for delivery fleets to save time and fuel. And of course, AI-powered robots that manage this inventory. So there are so many things out there under the use cases of transportation and logistics. Next comes the customer service. So this you all know, and it is also very much familiar. There's of course faster query resolution, personalized interactions is there, and 24 bar 7's availability.
Yes.
So kindly just have a note on the reference. This whenever we just speak on towards this AI and this query relations, of course, chatbot would comes in our mind. So yes, the chatbot that handles routines, customer queries, and of course the AI is the main backbone towards this. And here I have to give you the buzzword sentimental analysis. Yes, it identifies customers' emotion to tailor responses. And of course, voice assistance. So AI-powered IVR system enhanced call center operations is also. Next, very much important. Of course, among next 5 years, this is what the thing it is going to rule, agriculture. So how AI is benefiting towards agriculture? Yes, increased crop yields, reducing the waste, and optimized farming practice. Difference using AI satellite data, it's there to monitor the crop health and to make a precision agriculture. And of course, the AI identifies and suggests pest control measures also there. And AI forecast weather to guide planting and harvesting. So many things are there. And of course, if you want to specify some applications, yes, John Deere AI-enabled equipments is there. Crop Access precision farming tools is there. So kindly just have a look on towards that. And of course, my amazing interested topic, education. So here, AI benefits personalized learning, efficient administrations, and better engagement. Yes, well, it just makes you adaptive learning platform. So tailor courses to individual students, even that is customized needs. So what you want or what I want to learn or what are all the things I'm interested. Yes, of course, you can just get it. Individual students needs it. It can just give you the courses. And of course, automated gradings is also a very important thing that it AI evaluates assignments and quizzes and of course provides 24 bar 7 assistance to the student. And dear friends, here one more thing I have to specify it again coming towards retail. Increased sales, better customers retentions and streamlined operations. So here personalized shopping suggestions is also there so that the product recommendations should also get into touch. And when coming towards inventory management, of course, predicting demand trends for the restocking and customer insights, it is very much important. So providing or making an analyzing purchase behavior for targeted marketing. Of course, Amazon's recommendation engine, Walmart's AI driven inventory or a very, very good application comes for this retail. And of course, here it is not yet stopped. Furthermore, we are just going. And yes, here we are having the next one is manufacturing. Yes, dear friends, manufacturing, yes, it improved efficiency and reduced downtime and optimized production. Whatever be the thing, of course, here main important aspect it is predictive maintenance. Whatever be the field or industry, when you just make it as like a manufacturing, food manufacturing, or something leather manufacturing or shoe manufacturing, whatever this is. So here the identifies the machine failure before they occur and AI detect defects in product lines. So quality control, it is very much important. And here using robotics, yes, automated assembly lines, it is very much important. That benefits and being the main important use cases under manufacturing. And next, I'm just going to give you one important media and entertainment. Excuse me. Here, media and entertainment, of course, personalized experience, efficient content creation, and the better audience engagement. This is the main benefits that occurred by using this AIs. And here, use cases, I can just list so many things is there, and let me few among the thing is content recommendation. Of course, AI suggests shows or music tailored to user preference and yes, video editing, of course, it is very useful for automates editing processes is there. And here one thing, here important thing I have to specify. It is not towards the positivity, but anyhow to be as an awareness, deepfake technology. I have to specify this. But when you just make it towards the positivity, yes, of course, it is used to for creative storytelling. It can happen, sir. But let it make it a focus positivity alone. And next coming the energy. Yes, dear friends, energy efficiency, renewable energy optimization, and reduced operational cost. So here, when coming towards the use cases, of course, smart grid is the main thing when coming towards this energy and energy efficiency. So here, AI predicts and balances electricity demands. And when coming towards optimization, of course, wind and solar optimization, it's very much important. So AI maximize renewable energy output. And energy consumption analysis helps households and industries reduce energy waste. And one next, it can't be as like an industry, but here I have to specify it as like a professional thing. So legal. Yes. How AI is benefiting the legal? Faster document review or better compliance and reduced costs. So here, of course, AI reviews contract for inconsistency or risk. So it just makes some contract analysis. And of course, AI tools quickly find relevant cases. Mainly, I'm just speaking about this legal and laws only. So here, you can also quickly make a search engine towards the relevant case laws or precedents. So it is mainly used for legal researchers. And of course, compliance monitoring, it's also many much use case, that is ensure adherence to legal standard. And next, it is about the public sector. So better governance, efficient resolution allocations, and citizen engagement. So here, AI-powered traffic systems and public safety solutions would make the smart cities and identifies fraudulent activities in welfare, so fraud deductions. And AI predicts the impact of policies. So here, public policy modeling. So all this comes under the public sector. So kindly just here, if I just specify only these things, don't focus, narrow down towards this. Kindly just think about broad. There are so many things is there, and I can just give you some one or two applications is here also, as like IBM's smarter cities is there, AI driven public safety tools are available. So kindly just have a look on towards it when you just think about the project. And next coming the marketing and advertising. Difference, higher ROI and hyper personalized and data driven campaign. These are the benefits comes under marketing and advertising. And whenever we just speak something marketing and advertising, of course, customer segmentation, it is the main part of an analysis what comes here. So here, AI analyze consumer behavior to segment audiences. That comes under segmentation. And towards predictive analytics, of course, forecast trends to optimize marketing strategies. And one more main thing towards this marketing, of course, a chatbot for engagement. So it provides 24 bar 7 support for customer any inquiries or during campaigns. So this is very much important. Next comes the telecommunication. Of course, improved customer service or would be the benefiter, and network optimization would be one among the benefiter. And last but not least, predictive maintenance. So here, when coming towards network optimization, surely I have to specify this one. AI predict outages and suggest way to improve network performance. And here it identifies churn risk and recommends retention strategy. So kindly just have a go through on towards this telecommunications, because so many projects are there under this industries. And next comes the sports and fitness. Of course, after the pandemic, this industry it is also highlighted. And yes, it is also mainly used towards this performance optimization. And when you just go towards any sports or fitness, if you just have more number of persons or candidates, of course, you can just have an injury preventions and personalized fitness plans. Also, you can just recommend it. And when coming towards use cases, you can just also have AI analyzes players' performance for strategy development. And one important thing I have to specify here, IOB. Of course, I just going to give you this word, internet on bodies, though wearable technologies. So here it just tracks fitness metrics like heart rate and calorie burn. And here also AI tailors content for sports fans based on the preference. So these comes under sports and fitness. Next, and of course, a good important industry. Yeah, we can just specify human resource. See, whenever here, of course, in 2025, there are so many opportunities of that. If to make it about the candidates or about the resume, of course, this exact AI just benefits the human resources by streamlining the requirement. And it also just improve employee engagement and workforce analytics by making the resume one sec. I'm just Is it okay now,
Yes, ma'am.
Prashanti?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, fine.
yes. Good to go. Thank you.
Yeah, whether it is stopped now or previously, just now?
Yeah, it's visible, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, now let I just come towards this human resources. So yes, of course, AI identifies top candidates by analyzing resumes, and it also analyzes survey results to suggest improvements, and also identifies training needs for the employee to just skill gap the analysis. That is also mainly used for this human resources. And next, coming towards this gaming, of course, immersive experience. Kindly just don't merge with the sports and fitness and towards this gaming. I'm just making it as like an this gaming as like an you can also have a use case as like a non-player characteristic. I think AI enables this non-player characters to adapt and respond intelligently, and it just creates a game level characters and assets as like procedural content generation. This is very much important and a field that is booming now, and it also detects and prevents cheating in online gaming. Okay, so this is very much important. Kindly just have a go through for this current trends. And of course, let me just have a last set of industries: aerospace and defense. So here, of course, it is very much benefited for improved mission success rate and reduced human risk and enhanced surveillance. And of course, dear friends, it is also this AI is also a very much used for predictive maintenance here too. And I just want to add it here as like a monitors aircraft components to prevent malfunctions. And drones and robots for reconnaissance. Actually, here autonomous system it is very much important. And last but not least, cyber security. So of course, AI protects sensitive defense system from cyber attack. There are so many things are there. So if you are much more interested on towards this aerospace and defense, kindly just go ahead with so many what are all the benefits there and what are all the projects that you can have, and of course environmental sustainability. So climate change mitigation, wildlife conservation, and sustainable resource management are the benefits that comes under here this environmental sustainability. One important things I have to specify here for the current scenario, carbon footprint tracking. So AI analyze emission data for organization, and it also track endangered species using drones and AI models for wildlife monitoring. And also AI predicts natural disasters to improve preparedness. So here it is also mainly used for disaster prediction. I'm just giving you so many industries that are benefited by this AI, and wherever it is making use of it, I'm just giving you some leads and important tech keywords. And one coming here is insurance. Yes, of course, dear friends. Here you can just make an automated underwriting. That is, AI evaluates risk and determines the policy terms. And it also automates damages assessment and claim approval. And of course, one among the whenever we just speak about positive, of course, the negativity is also the fraud detection. So it identifies fraudulent claims through patent recognition is that. Okay, and which it just benefits to improved risk assessment, faster claiming processing, and fraud detection. This is very much comes under this insurance. And next, it is art and creativity. Of course, this AI is dominating here. The new forms of creative expressions, streamlined workflow, and democratic art creation. So many benefits are there. Just for time's sake, I'm just giving you only few. And different AI creates unique visual and audio art pieces also there. So generative art is a very much important use case under this art and creativity. And of course, even though if I didn't specify, of course, you would be identified this music composition. Yes, dear friends, the AI tools compose music based on given parameters. Of course, what is the thing is main parameter, what is the important things or attributes you have to provide. That is very much important. And coming towards video editing, of course, automates complex editing tasks is there. And so many applications, OpenAI, DALI is there, Runway ML for video creations is there, and even day to day so many tools are evolving. Kindly have a hands on and be aware. And next, of course, it is not retail banking. So under retail banking, of course, it handles customer inquiries related to account management. And of course, AI assesses credit worthiness and automates approval processing. And here also the negativity, of course, fraud detection. So identify suspicious transactions in real time. So under this such a thing, you can also personalize the customer experience can also be there, and efficient operations would also be benefited by using this AI. And next comes its logistic and supply chain. So logistic, of course, route. So here, route optimization. So AI finds the fastest and the most cost-effective delivery route. And towards the forecasting, of course, the predict inventory needs to prevent stock outputs. And according to automation, of course, the robots handle picking or packing and inventory checks. So many benefits are there, and it would just improve the efficiency, reduce the cost, and better inventory management, or comes under this logistic and supply chain. Next, of course, an interesting industry, construction. So AI-powered drones monitor construction sites for safety and progress. And here also, I just add up one among the use cases like predictive maintenance. So predict equipment that failures to prevent delay. And towards the optimization, AI assists architecture in creating efficient design. This is very much creativity added towards this. And next comes the hospitality. So dear friends, hospitality, when we just speak on this, yes, AI tailors this hotel service to guest preference, and it enhances guest experience also towards the optimized operations, and dynamic pricing is also an important use case comes under here. So it adjusts room rates based on the demands, or it also gives some recommendation. And here added towards this chatbots that handles booking inquiries and customer service. So personalized service would also be a very much important benefits here. Next comes, of course, automation. So autonomous vehicles navigate using AI algorithms. So it is the one thing. It is actually whenever we just speak on towards AI, of course, the self-driving cars would also just making us like an suffix towards this technology. So when coming towards this automotive, of course, AI is used to make a benefit of safer driving, predictive maintenance, and autonomous mobility. And coming towards predictive maintenance, of course, it detects potential vehicle issues before they occur. And I have to specify traffic management. Of course, AI optimize the traffic flow in smart cities. So that is also what just comes and towards if even though if I just didn't specify, of course you all know about that applications. That is Tesla's autopilot is there, Waymo's autonomous vehicle systems is there. So kindly just have an idea related towards if you are very much interested on this automotive. Last but not least, e-commerce. So this industries where towards this AI, of course, AI suggests product based on browsing history. So here, recommendation system is the one highest in needed, and it made the increased sale is one among the benefits, and improved customers retentions and better inventory management. So even though when coming towards this e-commerce, of course, dynamic pricing very good use cases. So it just adjusts the price based on the demand and competitor analysis. And the main most, again, I'm just going to specify it, chatbot that provides the instant assistance about the customer support. And dear friends, till now I have just given you about the 30 industries. So this list exactly highlights how AI is transforming each industry, providing tangible benefits, innovative use cases, and practical applications to improve process and create new opportunity. So when I speak about this opportunity, what are the emerging trends in artificial intelligence? Of course, I have to specify this. And dear friends, of course, artificial intelligence continues to evolve, and this 2025 promises to bring significant advancement that will redefine industries and create new possibilities. I'm just going to give you some top emerging trends that is expected to save the AI landscape in 2025. So first of all, yes, of course, amazing thing, generative AI expansion. And yes, dear friends, one thing I have to specify here, when you just go towards this generative expansion, I have to highlight under the emerging. One second, dear friends. I'm just. Is my voice is there? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Yeah.
No, nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, I just got a small glitch. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yes, coming towards this generative AI expansion. So generative AI models such like ChatGPT or DALI are transforming creativity and problem solving across industries. So by 2025, these models will evolve to become more accurate and context aware and integrated into day-to-day business workflow. And when coming towards this applications, yeah, you can just go for content creation, design assistant, drug discovery, and business will use generative AI to simulate marketing campaigns or design prototypes for reducing time and cost. And next coming this AI powered autonomous system. Previously, I have just specified about the autonomy. So self-driving vehicles, not only onto the roads, of course, drones and robots are gaining reliability. By 2025, autonomous system will dominate logistics, manufacturing, and even healthcare delivery. Can you just have a note on towards this? And when coming towards transportation, fully autonomous car in urban areas. AI-powered delivery drones for remote medicine transportation and autonomous truck revolutionizing supply chain operations under logistics. So these are the exact applications. Here I'm just going to just specifying only a few, but there are so many things out there. And when coming towards the next emerging trend, AI in healthcare, that is revolutioning diagnostic and treatment. Of course, dear friends, AI is set to push the boundaries of precision medicine by identifying patterns in the patient data to improve diagnosis and treatment plans. And one among the main application here is early detection of disease using medical imaging and robotic assisted surgeries with real-time analytics. When coming towards this customization, of course, tailored treatment based on genetic data. This one is very important. And anyone, if even though if I just didn't specify the industry, of course, bio-related, kindly just have a note on towards this diagnostic and treatment towards this personalized medicine using genetic data. It is one thing going to be the high in demand. And when coming towards, if you, I just want to give you a small example. Of course, the AI models like DeepMind's AlphaFold will become integral in drug discovery and disease mapping. So have a note on towards this, dear friends, again. And next, it is natural language processing advancement. So NLP is becoming more conversational and context aware. So by 2025, AI will achieve near human fluency in language understanding and language generations also. And of course, everyone would just know its applications as like voice assistant. So more human-like and proactive in providing solutions also. And customer supports, of course, AI-powered chatbots capable of resolving complex queries is there, and mainly language translation. So real-time translations and accurate multilingual communications is also very much important. Okay, and next it all about the AI for environmental sustainability. Of course, I have already specified the environmental sustainability under the industry. And here AI will increasingly address environmental challenge from tracking deforestations to optimizing renewable energy sources also there, and towards application as I have already specified previously, yes, smart grid to optimize energy consumption across cities, and monitoring the endangered species using drones and sensor in wildlife conservations. And next, of course, you can also have AI predicting floods or hurricanes or wildfire to save life. So disaster predictions would also come here. And next one, hyper personalizing customer experience. Yes, dear friends. AI will deliver hyper-personalized customer experience using advanced analytics and behavioral data. So here, personalized product recommendation can be done for retail, customized wellness plans and telemedicine can be done for under healthcare industry, adaptive learning platform that is tailored towards individual student that is can also be done under education. So yes, hyper. Whenever we just speak about this personalized, so kindly just see thing. You can also make something a platform that is tailored towards an individual, towards the patient or towards the student. You can just have it on. And next comes the ethical AI and responsible AI practices. With increased adoption, concern about AI ethics, bias, and transparency will be addressed through new framework and standards. I have to repeatedly specify this. Of course, AI models that are more inclusive and fair when you just think about bias reduction. An AI system providing clear reasoning for decision. So here, explainability. And of course, under governance, yes, regulatory bodies ensuring ethical AI deployment. And towards the example, I have to specify this tech giant like Google and Microsoft are investing in responsible AI tools and standards. That, of course, we have to take some more sessions also. And next, coming towards AI-driven edge computing. So, edge computing will make AI more efficient by processing data closer to its source, reducing latencies and improving real-time decision making. And here, of course, IO devices is very much important. One among the applications that AI on edge device like smart cameras and sensors is there. And when you just come towards this healthcare, of course, real-time patient monitoring through this wearable devices is also can be done. And of course, again, coming towards this autonomous vehicle, AI enabled real-time navigation and decision making. So all this comes towards the smart cities will use AI-driven edge devices for traffic or infrastructure management. So many things are there, dear friends. And next emerging technology, it is AI in cybersecurity. So as cyber threats evolve, AI will play a critical role in identifying and mitigating security breaches. So identifying vulnerability and miscellaneous activities, threat detections and fraud preventions, and of course analyze user behavior to detect insider threats by behavioral analysis. So many things are there. And of course, this is one among the emerging trend in 2025. And the next coming AI, democratization and accessibility. Dear friends, AI will become more accessible to small and medium enterprises, empowering business of all sizes to harness its capabilities. One important thing I have to specify here: no code AI tool. So platforms that allow users to build AI solutions without coding. And next one, affordable cloud AI service. So here, lower cost AI service for data analysis and automations is also there. And last but not least, AI training and upskilling. So here, democratized learning resources for individual to develop AI skills. And of course, dear friends, companies like OpenAI and Microsoft are providing scalable AI tools to empower smaller organizations. And what's next? It is all about creative industry. So as I have already specified, so many things are there. And coming towards this creative industry, yes, by 2025, AI will collaborate with humans in the creative process, as like generating art, generating music, and even stories, and music composition, video content. So tools like Adobe AI platform and OpenAI, still I am just specifying only the daily. But of course, even the day next or today morning, there are so many things are evolving. So this exact will revolutionize the creative workflow. So many tools are coming day by day. Kindly just have a look if you are in creative industry. Last but not least, quantum AI. Quantum AI. Of course, this has to be discussed in a separate topic. So combining quantum computing with AI will solve problems currently impossible for classic computer. So even though I have already specified drug discovery, so it just is simulating complex molecular interactions, and not only that, it also used in financial modeling as like real-time market prediction. It also used for environmental as like climate modeling, so that advanced climate prediction for better policies. So there are so many things are there. Difference, of course, I have just only listed only few. So the year 2025 is poised to be a landmark for AI advancement. From improving everyday tasks to solving global challenges, these emerging techs not only promise innovations but also provide exciting opportunities for professionals. Whether you are in healthcare or finance or even art, AI will be a tool to transform how you work and create. So the question is not whether AI will impact your industry, but how ready you are to embrace its potential. And of course, I have to specify this. As AI continues to evolve, there will be a growing demand for professionals with specialized skills to leverage these technology across various sectors. And here's let have a look at high demand AI roles and the skills that is required to excel in them. And the first one, AI machine learning engineer. What this okay, what this machine learning would just do is actually they are responsible for designing, building, and deploying machine learning models and algorithms. So they work with the data scientists and other stakeholders to implement AI solutions that addresses business challenge. Next, of course, it is data scientist. And even though you can also specify it as like a machine learning scientist, and data scientist or machine learning scientist analyze complex data sets to extract actionable insights and develop predictive models. So they apply machine learning techniques to solve problem and influence a business strategy. And next, of course, and I'm very much interested on this topic, AI research scientist. Of course, AI research scientists focus on advancing the theoretical understanding and practical applications of AI. So they explore cut-edge topics like reinforcement learning, generative models, and neural network. And next demand, it is all about robotic engineering. So robotic engineering designs and build autonomous system, including robots and drones. So that performs tasks traditionally done by humans. So they integrate AI with robotics for automation and controls. And next, of course, a very much important topic, natural language processing engineering. So they focus on enabling machines to understand and process human language. So they work on speech recognition, sentimental analysis, and chatbot development. That comes under here. And next, AI product manager is there. So AI product manager, they just the role would be bridge the gap between the technical team and the business stakeholders. So they define product roadmaps, prioritize features, and ensure the successful deployment of AI powered products. I have to specify this. Ethics specialist. AI ethics specialists ensure AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. They have to adhere to ethical guidelines and regulatory standards. They tackle issues related to bias, fairness, transparency, and privacy. And very, very important, computer vision engineering. So this exact role, of course, computer vision engineers develop algorithm that enables a machine to interpret and understand visual information from the world. So they work with images, videos, and 3D data to build AI solution for various industries. And next one, solution architect. So solution architect, AI solution architect, design and implement AI strategies and system for enterprises. So they ensure the integration of AI with the business processes and align technical solutions with organization goals. And next one, AI business analyst. Dear friends, of course, it is not much more different from data analyst. Okay, some important things as like when coming towards this business, of course, they work closely with the data scientists and business leaders to identify AI opportunities within the organization. So they help translate business problem to AI solution and ensure measurable business impact. And next, it is also an interesting thing, trainer. So AI trainer focus on training AI models by labeling and categorizing data, a crucial step in the AI development process. And of course, they also specify as like data labeling specialist also. So this role is essential for supervised learning tasks. So they specify here. And next, it is all about cloud AI engineering. So they work on deploying and maintaining AI models and servicing cloud environment. So they ensure scalability, security, and reliability for cloud-based AI solution. And next, it is all about consultant. So this consultants that advise business on how to implement AI technology to solve complex problems and improve operations. So they provide insight into AI trends, tools, and best practice. Last but not least, actually here it is not a software developer. Actually, it is an AI software developer that create software solution that leverage AI technology. Here, even I can just make it towards the thing as like automate the task or enhance user experience or enable smarter decision making. So, difference these roles reflect the rapid growth of AI and its broad applicability across industry. As AI becomes more embedded in various sectors, the demand for professionals with expertise in AI and related fields will continue to rise. And of course, I have to specify this one thing. What is the pathway to an AI career? Difference if you are looking to start a career in AI, there are many ways to get there. And here I have just listed something as like an education path. It has to be as like a most traditional one. You can also go with self-learning. Teach yourself by taking online courses or some tutorials as like that, or you can go with boot camp and certificate programs, or you can also start with something as an entry level position as like internship that also can help you gain practice in AI experience. And if you are working in any other field or you want to switch over some career like software development or finance, or you can also transit into AI by learning specific AI skills relevant to that field. And once if you are in towards that, you use your current knowledge and learn AI tools that apply to your industry. And when you are just going towards specific field, so learn how it is used in towards that specific field. Or if you are going towards healthcare, or if you are going towards financial, so make familiar onto that. Once done, kindly just create a portfolio of AI projects that helps you showcase. And last but not least, networking with AI professionals can open doors and help you learn faster. Here, I just want to, with all these points, no matter your background, there are many ways to get into AI, whether through formal education or self-learning or boot camps or internships. There's an opportunity for everyone. The key is to keep learning, practicing, and networking as you build your AI career. Even Elon Musk has recently shared his views on the traditional educational path, especially concerning the tech industry and AI roles. He has been vocally about that fact that degree is not always necessary to succeed, especially in the field like AI, technology, and entrepreneurship. And Musk also highlights that in 2025, as AI continues to develop, degree may become less relevant in hiring decisions. So the focus will shift more towards the problem solving abilities, creativity, and the practical expertise in the real world applications of AI. So whether you are entering AI from a technical background or learning on your own, what matter most is what you can do with knowledge you have gained, not the traditional degree you hold. And last but not least, challenges and opportunities in AI career. Dear friends, as I have already specified, AI is rapidly evolving field, creating both significant opportunities and challenges. Let's break down the main challenge professionals that will face pursuing AI career and opportunities in this industries present. First of all, it is a rapid technology challenge. So AI technologies are evolving quickly, making it hard to keep up with new tools, algorithms, and methodologies. Next one, lack of skilled talent. So there's a significant shortage of qualified AI professionals, especially in specialized field like deep learning and natural language. So this talent gap creates high demands for AI specialists. So individual who acquire relevant skills can enjoy the job offer and career growth. Next, ethical and bias issues in AI. So AI models can biases from the data they are trained on, leading to unfair or discriminating outcomes. So there is an increasing need for AI professionals to focus on creating fair ethical system. Specializing in AI ethics and fairness opens up new roles of that is also opportunities in this space. And AI impact on job marketing. So the automation is threatening many traditional jobs, especially in repetitive manual tasks. So while some jobs are being displaced, AI is also creating new roles in tech and data related fields. So those who embrace AI can find opportunities in emerging job markets, and innovative industries. Last but not least, AI regulation and legal frameworks. Dear friends, AI lacks comprehensive regulations and there is uncertainty regarding how to govern its ethical usage, privacy, and accountability. And as AI continues to grow, there will be a demand for professional in legal and policy roles to help shape the regulatory landscape. So this creates opportunity for individuals interested in AI laws, ethics, and policy making. So yes, dear friends, as we wrap up this seminar on AI career, we have explored the exciting yet challenging landscape of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing industry, creating new opportunity and reshaping the workforce in ways we couldn't have imagined just within a few years ago. So, yes, dear friends, we discussed the path into AI careers, emphasizing that whether you pursue formal education, opt for self learning, or attended any boot camps or gain hands on experience, there is no one size fits all approach. So, we also highlighted the key challenge faced by the AI professionals, including the lack of skill, talented, so the need of ethical AI development and ongoing struggle with AI biases. So these challenges, however, present unique opportunities for those who are committed to learning and contributing to the development of fair, innovative AI system. So, moreover, we examined the growing demand for AI professionals in industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. And of course, as AI continues to evolve, it creates roles not only for engineers and data scientists, but also for ethics, legal experts, and entrepreneurs who will help shape the future for this transformative technology. And yes, dear friends, so thank you for your participation today. So I think the future of AI is in your hand, and with the right mindset and dedication, you can carve out a rewarding career in this dynamic and ever expanding field. So the journey into AI is just beginning and the opportunities are limitless. So embrace the challenge and make sure you keep evolving alongside the technology. Thank you, and thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Ajanta Devi. That was a wonderful session and very interesting session indeed, because AI is definitely the future. And once again, I would like to thank on behalf of Educationist and of course the our sweet audience who were continuous support to us throughout the session. And as promised, we have some, some interesting questions coming up from the audience. And considering the time, I will be asking few questions for Ajanta Devi, and she will be answering. I'm sure she'll be answering most of the questions which we got. So, and ma'am, can I just start the question and answer session for
Yeah,
you?
please, please. And one by one, let me just.
Yeah, sure. So the first question is, what are some industries where AI adoption has been the most transformative? I'll repeat the question for you. What are
Mm.
some industries where AI adoption has been the most transformative?
Okay, here, as we have already discussed a lot, okay, what and why and what are all the use cases and applications. Here, I just point out only the exact industries alone. It can be healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, and of course, transportation also for autonomous or route optimization system.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you so much for answering that for us, ma'am. And the second question is, what are the major AI-driven innovations expected in 2025? And this is a very, I think this is a very interesting question for most of us.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
That is what, of course, as we have already discussed, Edge AI, real time, that is what real time data processing at the device level. You can just go ahead. And as from the starting itself, we can just specify generative AI. And for efficient energy management, AI sustainability. Autonomous system is there, healthcare AI is there. So these are the exact the keys innovation that include AI driven innovation that is expected in 2025.
Okay, thank you for answering that for us, ma'am. Uh, and the next question from the audience is which technical skills are most valuable for AI related roles? I'll repeat that for you.
Okay.
Which
Yeah. Actually,
technical,
here under programming, Python, R tool, and JavaScript, you can just go ahead. Under machine learning framework, uh, you can just go for TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. You can just make it. And data management, of course, here I have to specify. You can just go for the SQL or no SQL. And big data tools like Hadoop and Spark would also come. Whatever be, of course, mathematics. This is what very much important. Linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. Of course, most would just always keep on asking whether mathematics is important. Of course, it is. And last but not least, when you just go towards a cloud platform, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud for AI deployment, it is very much important.
thank you, ma'am. I'll quickly ask you the next question. It is what non-technical skills are crucial for success in AI careers?
Okay, as I have already specified the technical, non-technical here, of course, you have to be good at problem solving.
Okay,
1 second, 1 second, 1 second, just a second, please.
sure, ma'am.
1 second. Okay, I'm audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you
Okay.
are.
So, yeah, I just come again. So it is for non-technical. Yes, dear. So coming towards first one, it is mainly problem solving. So identify practical applications of AI. It is very much important. Next, it is critical thinking. So this one, it just used to analyze that AI outcomes and ethical implications. It is very much important. Whatever the thing, communication is very much needed to explain AI concept to non-technical stakeholders. This is very much. And of course, one among the non-technical, which we would expect team collaboration. So working with cross-functional teams would be there, and adaptability. So keeping up with rapid advancement in AI technology, adaptability is must.
Okay. Thank you for answering that for us. And my next question would be what are the ethical challenges in AI related jobs and how can professionals address them?
Okay. Here, the first one is bias. So ensure diverse training data sets and test for bias regularity. Next one, privacy. Follow data protection regulations. Okay. So prioritize user consent. That is very much important. Accountability. So define clear responsibility for AI decision. Next, transparency. Of course, use explainable AI to make AI decision understandability. And last but not least, job displacement. So, advocate for upskilling program to support affected workers. So that is also comes under this ethical challenges.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for answering that for us. And the last question for this webinar session is what advice would you give to students aspiring to enter AI roles in the next 2 to 3 years?
Okay. Here, first of all, I just give you some important steps. The first one, start learning earlier. So take foundational course in AI and programming. See, here I'm not very much specific towards the exact role or job description. Data analyst or data scientist, machine learning scientist, or data engineering, whatever be. Of course, from the foundational, it is must. Work on project. So whenever you just go towards your job roles, so build a portfolio showcasing your AI skills and mainly participate in competition. So, as like hackathons or Kaggle challenges, kindly just participating in something and engage with professionalism on platform like LinkedIn and GitHub. And last but not least, usually I just specify follow some AI research blogs or papers or research works and news blogs that keep pace with trends. So stay updated because every day, each and every one innovation is coming on. Even yesterday about we just speak about deep six, and today there's an operator. So each and every day there are more and more innovations is coming. So stay updated. So this is what I just want to give. It is not like an advice. So suggestion to make you improvise and coming towards this competitive world.
Thank you so much for answering that for us, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful session, and thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us. And there was so much of love coming from the audience in the comment section. And thank you everyone for joining us today in this wonderful session. And if you're interested in more webinars and training sessions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Education Nest and follow us on all social media platforms. We are here to support you in every way we can. And thank you. And we look forward to seeing you in future webinars as well. Have a nice evening. Take care and bye bye.
Thank you and thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.